Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this BlueHills Essential Oil Diffuser. It's so wonderful having a humidifier and an aromatherapy all in the same. You don't have to buy two separate pieces, and this has been wonderful to keep our allergens down. It's almost impossible to keep all of the dust mites at bay or all of those seasonal allergies at bay, and plus we've had a cold. So it's been great running peppermint, and that's done wonders for my head. I love how easy and self-explanatory this is to use, and you have your remote control, the high and the low setting, and the top you can turn it so you can angle out the humidity the way that you want, and it really does such a wonderful job of making our whole room smell beautiful. This lasts 2 days for me when I let it keep running, and I was never worried when I left the house and I had it running because it has a safety mode and it turns off all by itself, especially when it gets too low on the water. So it keeps us safe and it keeps it going for long. And when I come home, it's still running and I'm enjoying that beautiful scent, plus keeping those allergens down. This is great with the remote control because I can leave that in my chair or next to my bed, and I can put it on my sleep mode, or I can turn on the beautiful colors. It has these gorgeous 7 LED lights that are great for the ambiance, and I can even stop it to the color that I like most. So this is wonderful. It's been easy to take care of, just wiping it out with a paper towel when it's done, easy to fill with water and drop in my essential oils. It's a nice addition to the home, and it's been working great for us, and it's beautiful with this dark wood grain. It looks really nice as well. And I'm glad that it's so easy to use and adds so many benefits and gives me what I was looking for. And that's my point of view.